Very good morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel, Smart Index Edge. Today, I am going to explore one of the most fascinating insights in trading. Why rolling pivot and Gann HiLo often pick up trades before the episodic pivot does. You have probably seen early price reaction on your chart and wondered why EP signals appear a little later. Well, that delay isn't a flaw, it is a feature. In this session, I'll break down the science behind these three indicators, how they detect momentum, bias, and confirmation, how combining them gives you a crystal clear trading edge. So stay tuned till the end because you are going to see how early triggers meet confirmed conviction, a concept that can completely change your intraday approach. So first Gann HiLo uh, confirms the trend and rolling pivot gives you the early detection of the balance price and next the episodic pivot. Episodic pivot, these are the things. So first itself the Gann HiLo and rolling pivots come into picture before the episodic pivot. Episodic pivot. So rolling pivot and Gann HiLo are reactive indicators. Rolling pivot and Gann HiLo are reactive indicators that respond to immediate price rotation. See, rolling pivot calculates the pivots, calculating by the high, low, and close, divides into three for each and every bar, and it gives you balance line. Gann HiLo is the trend flip. It will happen very early. Episodic pivot, whereas episodic pivot is a confirmatory, it validates only when volume, volatility, and structure align. So early triggers by rolling pivot and the Gann HiLo meet confirmed conviction. That is confirmed conviction by episodic pivot. So when everything is aligned, your trade will be superior. You will trade with conviction, confidence. You can sit on the trade without any tension. So rolling pivot and Gann HiLo here and EP all together, it is a confirmed thing for your trade. Dynamically, rolling pivot updates based on real-time high, low, and closes. So my rolling pivot indicator has been designed that if you are on a 5 minute time frame, it automatically calculates the hourly balance line. If you are on the 1 minute time frame, it automatically calculates for 15 minutes balance line. That means it goes back to 15 1 minute candle and plots the balance line. When the price is above that balance line, that is a positive thing. Shows early bias change when price crosses it. Then my rolling pivot indicators have been designed like that. It changes its color dynamically. When the price crosses above that, the all will change into green color. Okay, that is the thing. And each and every bar is coded for buy signals, buy alerts and sell alerts, so that it will eliminate all your psychology during the trading. That is very, very important. Very, very important in trading. If your psychology is affected, you will start seeing wrong things and you will do wrong things. See wrong things, do wrong things, end up in losses. If you see right things, then you will do right, you will see right things and do right things, you will end up in profits. Ideal for detecting short-term momentum shifts. They are very much ideal for detecting short-term shift. Sorry. See now, when the dynamic moving point crossover, when the price crosses above the rolling pivot and the Gann HiLo supporting, it indicates trend bias change. Gann HiLo flips trend direction when price breaks its high-low channel. That means acts as a momentum detector. This Gann HiLo turns, if it is bearish, it will be magenta color and flips to blue color, indicating that trend has changed and gives early cues before structural confirmation. It gives you early cues before structural confirmation. Gann HiLo. So this is how it is. Gann HiLo trend flip detected. See, this is the red magenta color and the blue color. It reflects. Sorry. Episodic pivot role is waits for alignment of volume, volatility, and market structure. Confirms true market events, not temporary spikes. Remember this. Confirms true market events, not temporary spikes. Ensures reliability and conviction. Actually, on 29th on Nifty, episodic pivot was formed around 26,053. That was the price line. So, rolling pivots and dynamic Gann HiLo confirmed everything. All together, market started coming down. Probably, if you would have taken a put option around that level, 26,000 put option, it would have appreciated within these days from 29th to 3rd. It would have appreciated lot of money. That's how it is. You can enter into the trade. For example, even Shriram Transport Finance on yesterday, it confirmed everything. That was a blast. Even for the Tata Consumer Products, that was a blast. So, with the confirmation of Gann HiLo, rolling pivots, and episodic pivot, your trade will be very, very good. So this is the representation of the episodic pivot. Episodic pivot throws light actually for the trend and the rolling pivots. Gann HiLo, it is a bright light flashing. Then you can go ahead. Your path will be very clear. That means direction will be very clear and you can take the trade in that direction. If it is a breakout above the episodic level, price line, that is the direction is positive. Breakdown below the episodic level, direction is negative. That's how it is. So I'm going to give you a comparison table in the next indicator comparison. This is the indicator, signal speed, reliability. Indicator and if whether the signal speed is fast or early detector. potential. If you put the Gann HiLo, the signal speed is moderate, dynamic trend bias, and rolling pivot is also moderate, gives you high reliability. Not the Gann HiLo. Rolling pivot gives you high reliability. Episodic pivot, signal speed is later. Not it will be generated very early, like this Gann HiLo and rolling pivot. This will be later, but it confirms the breakout. Like throwing light on all the things. Gann HiLo and rolling pivot conviction, it will throw light, and confirmed breakout, you will get it. So the Gann HiLo episodic line, price line is very, very important. Combined together with the rolling pivot and the Gann HiLo. Think of trading as a relay race. Gann HiLo, rolling pivot, episodic pivot. Each indicator passes the baton from early detection to full confirmation. It is like first momentum bias. Momentum is momentum shift through Gann HiLo, and bias is towards the upside or the downside from the rolling pivot, and it is confirmation by episodic pivot. That is volume. In this example, I am showing you Bharat Dynamics Limited. The episodic pivot was created on 29th around 1510 rupees. That is the price line. You can see it was bearish actually. It went down and the trend confirmed. You can see the flip of the magenta. This was the Gann HiLo magenta color, flipped to the blue very early. And then rolling pivot. This is my rolling pivot from red to blue. Okay, red to blue, and later it went crossed this episodic pivot price line 1510. On 31st, it crossed the level to the level of 1545. Again, it came back retesting this level, EP level. It did not break below the EP level, confirming that the volume, institutional price level, institutional money, institutional backup. Then you can see the price moved higher. Now it has closed around 1548. That's how it is. Combine all the three for best results. Gann HiLo detects early shift, rolling pivot tracks ongoing bias. EP confirms conviction. So early insight with rolling plus Gann, confirmed conviction with EP is very, very, very essential for your trade. Combined, this is the combined indicator strategy. What is the strategy you are building? With these two indicators, you are building a strategy for early signal to confirm move. Gann HiLo tells you momentum shift, and rolling pivots tells you trend bias change, everything, and confirmed breakout, as shown depicted over here. To access my indicator, just a second. This is my custom indicators. WhatsApp me on this number 9845209600. It is a paid access. This content is for educational purpose only and not financial advice. I hope this video helped you to understand how rolling pivot and Gann HiLo gives you an early view of market access turns, while episodic pivot confirms real breakout with conviction. If you would like to experience this setup in your own charts, you can get access to my custom built indicators. They are designed for clarity, precision, and professional use. WhatsApp me at this number 984520960 for paid access and support. And remember, this video is for educational purpose only. Trade wisely, manage your risk, and keep learning with Smart Index Edge. Thank you for watching. Nalinakshi Swamy signing off.